Living in a compact space doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or sophisticated design. The secret lies in rethinking traditional layouts and prioritizing dual functionality over sheer bulk. We are moving beyond the obvious tips to explore strategic design principles that transform cramped areas into expansive, inviting havens. Number 1. Go vertical with invisible storage. When floor space is limited, the walls become your most valuable asset. Install floating shelves or shallow custom cabinetry that blends into the wall color, a technique often called invisible storage. This draws the eye upward, emphasizing ceiling height while keeping clutter out of sight without sacrificing precious square footage. Number 2. Elevate your view, the leggy look. Choosing furniture supported by exposed, thin legs, think mid-century modern or sleek Danish designs, is crucial. When you can see the floor beneath a sofa, armchair, or credenza, the room immediately feels more open and less cluttered. Avoid skirted or blocky furniture that grounds the space too heavily. Number 3. The transparency trick, acrylic and glass. A physical object might take up space, but if it's visually unobtrusive, it won't shrink the room. Utilize transparent materials like acrylic, tempered glass, or lucite for coffee tables, side tables, or even dining chairs. These elements serve their purpose functionally while maintaining continuous visual flow across the room. Number 4. Tactical textiles, the large rug anchor. Counterintuitively, using a large area rug is better for a small space than using a tiny one. A small rug visually chops up the floor, making the seating area seem isolated and miniature. A rug that extends underneath the front legs of all major pieces of furniture anchors the entire zone and creates the illusion of one large cohesive space. Number 5. Embrace the modular matrix. Instead of one bulky 3-seater sofa, opt for a modular sectional or a combination of 2 deep, comfortable armchairs paired with an ottoman. Modular pieces can be rearranged instantly to suit entertaining or relaxing needs, offering supreme flexibility that static furniture lacks. The ottoman can double as extra seating or a footrest. Number 6. Cool colors and tone-on-tone palettes. While light colors are known to expand a space, focus specifically on cool-toned palettes, pale blues, subtle grays, mint green. Cool colors tend to recede visually, making the walls feel further away. Crucially, keep the contrast low between the walls, trim, and large furniture pieces to prevent the eye from stopping, which minimizes visual clutter. Number 7. Dynamic zoned lighting. Reliance on a single overhead light fixture flattens a small room. Use layered illumination to add depth and dimension. Incorporate task lighting, a chic floor lamp, ambient lighting, wall sconces, and accent lighting, a small picture light. This strategic placement defines zones and prevents the room from feeling like one small uniform box. Number 8. The strategic use of oversized mirrors. This is a classic trick, but maximize its effect by using one very large mirror rather than several small ones. Place the mirror directly opposite your main source of light, a window, or opposite an intriguing focal point. This doesn't just reflect light, it visually replicates the room and creates the profound illusion of doubled space.